Welcome to Tierra Air Travel Scooter Rental. Always wear your helmet at all times for your safety. Starting the scooter. Insert the key, turn right once for seat and fuel tank. Press to open the seat. Always remove the key and lock the motorbike when not in use. Turn right one more to activate. To start, you need to lift up the kickstand. After that, hold the brake and press the start button. Using turn signals is important for safety and letting others know where you're going. Use the left switch on your handlebar to turn on your signal. Check the brakes, throttle, and lights to ensure everything is working properly. Make sure to check for the headlight on the right-hand handle. Inspect the tire for any damage or low pressure. Parking, park in designated areas and lock the scooter when not in use. Make sure the fuel tank is fully. If you got a flat tire on the way, please search for local maintenance shop. But if there is any problem with the machine, please contact our company. Thank you.